Hello at welcome ulit sa kusina ni Mrs. O. And still the same night, still the same dress. So, ulitin ko lang yung aking intro. We have under 2 hours to prepare for our dinner party tonight at 6 p.m. So, I think we have about 6 to 8 guests. So, like what I said, I wanted it to be different, so we're plating everything. So, for this segment, I'm showing you how to make our salad again. Kasi nga, I was inspired by my visit in San Pablo. Pinatikman nila ako ng masarap na Okoy. So, here naman in Malabon, so I live in Malabon, meron din kaming sobrang sarap na Okoy. Saan na ba siya? Basically, we have 8 guests, and then I want to show you how big it is, no? Look at how big our Okoy is. So, this is the special. So, pag bibili nyo siya special, tinan mo yung shapes. That is 85 pesos. Oh, look at my hand. It's bigger. So, this is in palengke sa Barangay Concepcion. They're very popular. But then, you know, parati pag pupunta ako doon, I always buy. Pero parang feeling ko lang, masarap siya with salad. That's what we're doing today. But first is, I'm just gonna cut it into 2 because it's too big. The reason why it's masarap, di ba ang Okoy, pagkakaluto lang niya, masarap siya. Pero kunyari, hindi mo kinain agad, pakulit ng pakunti na masarap. Ito, binila namin ito siya like 2 hours ago. Medyo makunit siya, pero malinam-nam pa rin. So, there. So, basically, what I will do is, there. I'm just plating it para we're ready for later. What I will do is, I will plate it, and then parang I'm gonna drizzle here some salad. So, yung salad natin later, it's with carrots, pomelo. Yes, pomelo. I was trying to find Indian mangoes from my tree, pero wala pa ata. Tapos, meron kaming pipino, at ang magdadala is the dalandan. Hindi ko na ito papakita kasi kanina pa ako kurot ng kurot, so hindi na siya buo. Ayun, ito pa siya. Look at that. Yummy. So, ito na lang. Okay. Dahil ngayon ko lang naiisip to, we will make it into 4. Yan. Yan. Para medyo bitin. So, mamaya nyo pa makikita yung plating na ito. There. Okay. There. So now, after this, what I'll do is I will do my salad dressing. Okay? So first, with this, with the salad, we want it to be refreshing. So, mamaya ko na ihahalo yung dressing, no? But I'm just gonna mix all the vegetables. With this, I'm just gonna mix it on the last minute. And then, I'm just gonna mix it with some onions. Yes, it has to be red onions. There. Okay. So, it's shredded. There you go. And then, mix it with pomelo. Because pomelo is in season, mix it up. It's gonna be very good. Perfect actually siya kung may apple mango or Indian mango, tapos konting singkamas, but this is all what I could get for today. On such short notice, actually yesterday, on my way to San Pablo, it was supposed to be 2 hours, 15 minutes. Nag-take kami ng wrong turn kasi sabi ni Waze, mag-left. Ang alam naman ng driver talaga, diretso. He made a mistake na nakinig sa Waze. Tapos sino niya ako, ma? Magle-left ba? Sabi ko, sabi ni Waze eh. Little did we know, mali sa Waze. Nakadating kami sa Lipa. So, it took us about 3 hours to a little bit over 3 hours to get home. Can you believe that? Diba? So, anyway, lesson learned. Siguro at the time, unstable yung internet ko. So, here. Okay, ready na to for plating later on. I'm just gonna leave it here. And now, we will make our dressing. So, for the dressing, napakadali. Okay. Ito ngayon ang secret of the stars dito. So, basically, kung wala kang dalandan juice, pwede tayo gumamit ng dalandan powder, no? So, ito siya. And then, ito rin yung secret ko. We have a plant, no? I think I've done this so many times. Kay Fear Lime Leaves. Tonight, I think our guest will bring gin. So, I'm gonna mix it up later with gin. This one, if you bite into it, kay Fear Lime Leaves, hindi siya masyadong pleasant, pero very mabango siya, very fragrant. I'm just lucky na meron kaming plant dito, no? My mom gave me a plant. Bunga siya ng bunga. 3 na ngayon yung plant namin. Na markot siya, oo. So, mataba talaga siya. No? So, I have a lot of it. I have an abundance of Thai Fear Lime Leaves. That's why I use it. Pero, for those who don't have it, you know, okay lang din. Kasi, pwede rin naman gamitin yung kalamansi na leaves. Yung dahon ng kalamansi. Of course, you really wash it and then siya yung gagamitin nyo. So, there. This is may pagka-thigh, no? Yung line. Actually, sa sobrang healthy ng plant na ito, tumubo siya ng lime na napakalaki. Pero when I looked at it, parang wala siya masyadong juice. Talagang it's all there. So kung wala ka nito, actually to be honest, sometimes I use tang. But yung tang na dalandan, but can you believe it? Yun ang out of stock. I tried Landers, Biltamar, tried Pure Gold. There's no tang dalandan in this vicinity. So weird. Ito yung on stock and mas mahal siya. So to be honest, I normally use tang dalandan juice na concentrate. But for this dish, I cannot kasi wala naman siya. We're gonna add a little bit. So, 1, 2, 3, okay, 4. There you go. So there. So it's gonna be a little bit sweet, no? Yan. Then I'm gonna add patis. Just a tablespoon and a half, okay? Not much. And then, okay. So I'm just gonna slowly. So basically, this is like dalandan vinaigrette, no? That's what we're doing. So that's like, yeah. And because it's not a creamy dressing and it's vinaigrette, what I will do is, I'm gonna add this. Again, it's another Malabonian product. Bakit ko ba naisip gawin to? I was supposed to cook in Brgy, in a friend's place, no? So, Brgy actually invites people to come over and eat in his home and order parang mga Malabonian dishes. So anyway, so you know, I always watch his vlogs and then I told him, so, uy, luto nga ako sa house mo. Parang I wanted to just, you know, try it out. And then, you know, I just thought of glorifying Malabon food. So like this one is normally, like what you saw, it comes in a plastic and then you eat it with suka. So basically, I wanted to do plating. So I wanted to show na we can glorify the things that you see here. No, so beer nuts, andito, tinapa, nandito. Tapos things na nakikita natin sa grocery, nothing is out of, you know, extraordinary. Hindi ko naman binili sa Santis or sa mga mamahalang place, no? So, yun lang. So, I wanted to just showcase that. Tapos, ito sa Lazada, parang less than 200 pesos, pero sobrang sulit. I highly suggest you invest. So, this is for later. There you go. Take a little bit. So, ready na tayo for last-minute assembly for our salad. So, everything that you see here, these 3 things, all of that will go into here as a salad. Okay, so now, ready na kami for the salad. So, we are now plating. Nakita nyo kanina, we prepared everything. So, that's why it's easy. Tapos, ito yung beer nuts, no? So, basically, this is our dalandan with kaifir lime leaves. We're just gonna soak it. Basically, we are serving the Okoy differently. So, with salad. There. And then, nuts. Kasi nga, like what I said, ang ating dressing is very light. So, just to thicken it, I'm just gonna add some nuts. So here is our plating of our Okoy from Barangay Concepcion and with our salad na may dalandan dressing and pomelo. So it's just another way of elevating our Malabon food. So let's serve it.